Install and connect all components. Ensure there is no air leakage during measurement. Start measurement. Let the tube towards the palm. Roll up your sleeves and wear the cuff. Don't tighten your upper arm to affect blood circulation. Keep a 1-finger gap between the arm and the cuff. Keep the cuff 2 to 3 cm away from the elbow joint. Place the stethoscope earpieces in your ears. Face down the stethoscope in the cuff. Before starting measurement, turn off the knob at the airbag. Start inflating. Usually inflate to 160 to 180. Then gently turn the knob to deflate slowly and evenly. When a faint heartbeat appears in the stethoscope, the reading at this time is your systolic pressure. Keep slowly deflating. The heartbeat sound will gradually increase from weak to strong, then gradually become weaker. Keep listening until the heartbeat disappears. The readings before the heartbeat sounds disappear is the diastolic pressure. Deflate the air completely after measuring. Put them back into the storage bag for easy access next time.